Hi guys, in this Flight Simulator 2024 tutorial, I'm gonna show you where the community folder is located. First of all, why is the community folder really useful for our flight simmer's life? It's really useful because it's the location in your local disk or maybe in an external drive you plug in your PC every time you want to run Flight Simulator, where you have to copy and paste all your external sceneries, such as something you bought from Inibuilds, your Phoenix A320, your fly-by-wire A380X. So it's the location in which you have to put your aircraft, your sceneries, your extensions, your add-ons for Flight Sim 2024. You can find this folder on your local disk if you didn't change the settings of the Flight Simulator 2024 installer file. If you installed Flight Simulator via Microsoft Store, you will find your community folder in local disk, users, select your user, and then AppData, local, scroll until you find packages. Here we have it. And then you have to scroll down and find Microsoft Limitless and a series of numbers and letters such as 8, W, E, K, Y, B, and stuff like that. Then you have to click on AppData. No, I'm sorry, on LocalCache, and then packages, and then you will find your community folder. So the entire path is this one. Okay. So, I'm sorry, is C, users, your user, AppData, local, packages, Microsoft, limitless, blah, 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 LocalCache, packages, and community. I'm gonna copy this address and paste it in the description. So if you wanna go directly to this path in your file explorer, you can just copy and paste the text string you can find in the description below. If you installed Flight Simulator via Steam, you find it in your local disk, and then, if I'm not wrong, in programs. Let me check. I'm sorry, the right path is again users, your user, AppData, roaming, and then Microsoft Flight Simulator, packages, and community. So if you have installed it via Microsoft Store, follow the other method I've already showed you some seconds ago. Otherwise, use this path with roaming folder instead of local one, and then Microsoft Flight Simulator, packages, community. This is how you can find your community folder of your standard, deluxe, premium deluxe edition of Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. There are no differences between these versions, and that's all. It's really easy, just follow the path written in the description below. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye bye.